Hello! Today I'm going to make wax melts. For this I will need Turkish coffee pot, and every time I make between 1 or 6 wax melts like this, I'm using this one. If I make more, I will use a bigger pot. So Turkish coffee pot, fragrance by Nature's Garden, warning labels, and sure wax. This is C3 wax, mostly for wax melts. You can use it in candles, but mostly for wax melts. I know that each mold or form will hold 55 grams before fragrance. So for 3 forms, I will need 165 grams. So I'm taking this. First, I will measure 165 grams of wax. So first I will melt the wax. While wax is melting, I'm going to put these warning labels. It's mandatory. They don't cost a lot, but if you make candles or wax melts, you have to put it. So I'm gonna put it like this. And now I'm going to wait for the wax to melt. While wax is melting, I'm also going to print 3 labels. So I have printed labels, and now I will put them on. I will put them on the boxes. And the last one. Okay. So now everything is ready, and my wax also has melted. Okay, my wax has melted, and I can remove it from water and add my fragrance. And this wax can take up to 13%, so we'll do maximum load, and 10% will be 16.5 grams, and we'll do 18 grams of fragrance. Okay. Now look at this beauty. And you can see, because the density is different, the density of the fragrance and the density of the wax. And I have to stir it until it becomes unified, or until it dissolves completely, until wax will take all that fragrance. See? it's uniformed. You don't see anymore those beautiful stripes. And now I can pour it right here. And that's it. And now I am going to just wipe this pot and it will be clean. Yes. So it's ready for the next time. Now I will wait until it solidifies, and then I will package it and send it out. Well, thank you for watching. Come back for more.